As there is a question in interpretation of geological maps, there are actually two laws that governs the interpretation of geological maps. So we will try to cover the two laws here. So the first law that governs the interpretation of geological map is the law of superposition. Undisturbed sedimentary sequence. The topmost sedimentary layer will be the younger one and the bottommost sedimentary layer will be the older one, right? This is what the law of superposition, which can also be expressed in this way, right? The oldest will be at the bottom and the youngest will be at the top, right? So this is what one of the key to remember, so that you can use this key for interpretation of a geological map as well as cross sections, right? And here is the second law that governs the interpretation of geological map is the law of cross-cutting relationship. Okay, and this is also proposed by Steno. Okay, so what he was saying is, in an igneous body or any structure must be younger than the rock it cuts, right? So is the rock is being cut or the older than the one that is cutting. So this image to express that. As you know, the oldest will be the bottommost and the younger will be the topmost, and there is an intrusion which actually cuts through all this, right? So the intruded rock will be the youngest of this sequence. Okay, so this relationship is called as law of cross-cutting relationship. So just by remembering these two laws, you can try to solve interpretation of geological map as well as cross section. And I'll try to show you an example from the previous year exam question.